You do.
Let me do it again.
You're not doing ballroom. I do draw my line in ballroom. Why not?